Nice t-shirt. Faggy. Jalan-jalan. Same. Pagi lah ya. Ciao people. Island hopping is really good, but nothing can be better than mountains. Yesterday there was a big waves in the front on Amed in the ocean because the wind started blowing from the sea. And actually even today we can hear the roar of the waves here in the mountains.
Decided to come to Amed for some 3-4 days, so we will go to look some rooms for her. First, Amed Beach Resort. Let's go there and look. Maybe there's some nice rooms. Some other rooms, but Tonya already chose this one. But this hotel is really nice. Here is a very good view, especially in the second floor, and also very close to the ocean. But the ocean today is not good for swimming, so she will use the pool. Here is a really nice bed and 2 windows. Really just a lot of light. And here is a really good view. You can sit here on a balcony and watch to the ocean.
Today's situation here on Amed Beach is not different. It's absolutely the same. The waves are really big, so we cancelled all the diving here today. But when I'm filming from the beach, it's probably you cannot see how big is the waves. So that's why I decided to go and swim a little bit out. So just to see how big is the waves. it. Tough guys who don't give a shit about waves. We're starting one Sandmount course tomorrow, so we decided to come to Liberty, to Tulamben, and check how the waves here. And yeah, it looks really okay. In August we have bigger waves, so that means that Amed is more affected than anything else, which is good. We will go a little bit up, another 10 kilometers, just to check a bog wreck. Here in the back there is a bog wreck, so I've been planning a dive tomorrow there, and looks really okay. I think the wind is going down for tomorrow, so the wave is not big even with a strong wind. We're gonna be okay, absolutely. And the visibility here looks okay. And that's it for today. That was a day of the big waves. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and like, and see you tomorrow again. Bye. Ciao.